So I'm gonna take you with me today so you can see what I do. Let's throw that in the back first. So you can see, what's up buddy? So you can see what I do on my daily hustle. Today we're gonna go to clean this shit up first, but we're gonna go to install a couple of monitors, a candy machine, and make some videos on the way here. Then we're gonna clean the car because it's total trash. And hopefully you like it, guys. It fits everything. It's fun. All right. Those videos is just to show you that, you know, just gonna hustle a little bit. How do I hustle? How I organize my day. And hopefully you guys like it and learn from my experiences and organize your day better. Anything else, you need to plan where are you gonna go first, so you don't go here then come back, then come here, then come back, then come here, then come back. You need to organize everything, what circle you're gonna make, you know, what route you're gonna take. Of one of my accounts that I have an ATM, he said it's okay for me to install a monitor and a candy machine. We're gonna hit another account that I could not make the device run, the monitor active yesterday, so we're gonna fix that. And after that, you're gonna see I'm waiting for 4 machines today. I'm gonna take delivery and we're gonna install them later today. Awesome, guys. And later tonight, I'll go grab drinks by the beach because we all deserve some time for ourselves, right? Forgot the keys. Hopefully I didn't. Those are not the keys, those are ATM keys. Hey, I always keep it here. Yeah, I forgot the keys for the candy machine, so make sure you don't forget stuff, guys. Sometimes I try not to forget stuff. I just emptied, I have about 30 keys on my bed. I emptied all of them, and I forgot the ATM keys and the candy machine keys. So just make sure you take everything before you leave. The monitor again. I'm not sure why. I'm gonna try one of them at home and then go to the account actually. We'll see. It is what it is. Part of the grind. I already said, could not finish the job. Yesterday I could not finish the job on the other one. Am I disappointed? No. Now I'm gonna make a checklist of things that I should bring, and I contacted the manufacturer. So they're gonna explain to me why can I have a problem connected to the Wi-Fi, and when I do a cable I connect, but when I do Wi-Fi I cannot, and the whole point of this is to use the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna make some systems in place so I can do the job properly and not go back and forth a few times. Also create a checklist. So all in all, this failure teaches me how to become better. So embrace the failure is what I'm saying. Come and check it out, guys. Take 2. Let's see if we can fix it. What's going on, my man? Got it. Just gotta pack and get out. Now let's go and fix the first account. And we're gonna swing by the coin machine. Sorry, not the coin machine, the claw, to put something there as well. Out like a charm. There was no problem with the Wi-Fi. Nothing. Everything worked. I just went in there, turned it on, bam. So we're up to the brewery. The claw machine, and I did tear up the thing I was supposed to put as a sticker. So we're going home. Today is kind of a screwed up day, you know. I screwed up a couple of times, which is perfectly fine. But it is what it is. So the amazing van. All the girls want me for this van. And we're gonna do this. Those things at the back here, we gotta put them in the storage. What's up, buddy? Jesus Christ. You wanna hop in? I got candy. What do we got here? toys and other stuff. All right, let's go. All right, let's go wash the car. Two machines are coming. We're gonna go and install them now. Just finish polishing that. Is there a problem if you put two of them like closer to the house? Because the other two I'm gonna put on the van. It's great, isn't it? I don't know.
Except here.
Perfect. Perfect. Least the coin changer, the bill acceptor. All right. Member of the fam.
Thanks, guys. Have a good night.
Have a good one. Thank you. All right, good. The last mess. Getting my illegal immigrants here, so I can pay him nothing. Pay him in beer. Isn't it awesome? It's amazing. All right. Well, we're ready to roll. How the night ends. We just went for drinks and watching a van conversion video, eating some pizza, and that's how it is. Tomorrow we're gonna rinse, recycle, repeat, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.